Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Bee. Today we are diving into the software development lifecycle, commonly known as SDLC, and exploring the role that business analyst plays in each phase. All we have studied SDLC and seen it as a theoretical part, but never think about its importance in real life. Today we will study its actual use in real life and also the purpose of SDLC. Like every living aspect go through stages from birth to maturity, just like that software goes through stages from conceptions to development. Now let's see what is SDLC and what are the different phases or stages it's having. SDLC is nothing but a structured process used by IT professional to design, develop, test and maintain software application. Now you must be thinking that why do we need this structured process? So the answer is to maintain the consistency in work, quality, and to fulfill the customers or clients' requirement in a given time frame and the budget, we need to follow the systematic approach. There are different phases in SDLC. They are planning, defining, design, coding, testing, and deployment and maintenance. Let's discuss very first an initial phase of SDLC, that is planning. In this phase, all the basic requirements like purpose of the project, details about the end users of the product, key elements like attribute and format, and overall user interface get discussed. During the planning phase, mostly the business analyst, project manager, product owner, and CTO of the company get involved. During this phase, the business analysts create a BRD, which is also known as business requirement document, which mostly capture the very high level business requirement that could be used by the business stakeholders, managers, board of director, and many more high level managements. In this phase, basically your client give very high level requirement to the service provider. The defining or analysis phase. Most of the estimation and work effort get it done in defining phase. The BA conduct very detailed requirement gathering meetings and document it. This document is also known as software requirement specification document. In this phase, the detailed information about each element get discussed. Also, the client requirements gets validated. In design phase, BA collaborates with design team to create solution prototype. Basically, the overall layout of the product or project get prepared. The software designer designs the solutions as per the SRS and also checks the feasibility with client's requirement. They check the functions, modules, and require connectivity between them. In design phase, the design document specification get created. In coding phase, developer starts writing the code. It is one of the important stage. Developer uses predefined tool to implement the code. Sometimes developer don't get the clear idea about the requirement. In this scenario, developer have the brainstorming session with business analyst and business analyst assist in translating requirements into the actionable task. In testing phase, developed software get deployed in multiple test environments to check the functionality. Tester teams may find errors or bugs and they forward it to the developers team to debug. This testing and debugging process continues until the software gets stable and works for the expected requirement. In testing phase, BA plays a very important role by participating in testing to ensure the requirements are met and defects are identified. The development and maintenance is one of the crucial phase of SDLC. In this phase, business analyst ensures a smooth transition from development to production. And BA also monitors the post deployment performance and gather clients' feedback for further enhancement. During this phase, the development team will set up a software for actual use. And it might possible that actual users may find some errors in real life. So developers debug debugs the code, and make sure that it works as per the requirement. So here we have seen how business analyst plays very crucial role throughout the SDLC, ensuring that business needs are actually translated into functional software solution with the minimum risk, streamlined process, and on-time delivery. And here we have seen a comprehensive guide to understanding SDLC, its phases, and be a role in SDLC. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in comment below. And yes, don't forget to press bell icon to get a notification to our latest video and updates. Stay connected.